So my phone died. I don't know where I left off. Probably up here. If there's not a number in front of this x, it's a 1. It's always a 1. But we just don't write the 1 because we know it's there. So yeah, that's first step. Yeah, just write, these two things. If this thing's odd, put it there, and you put the 1x there. Okay? And for the second step, find two numbers, or what they're really called, factors. When multiplied together, give 60. This number. This is the only number in this because it does not have x in it. This is what we call a constant. So, okay. So I wrote a little table of factors. So to start from the very lowest number that you know, well, I guess you could add 1 times 60 up here, but that's a very rare case with these problems. But just know that 1 times 60, or yeah, 1 times 60 equals 60 is in this. So yeah, to start from like the lowest numbers. So 2 times 30 equals 60, 3 times 20 equals 60, 4 times 15 equals 60, 5 times 12 equals 60, 6 times 10 equals 60. The negatives, the same thing, but a negative times a negative, positive. So exact same thing, but negatives. Let's see. So this is important. Since the middle number with a single x, this number, 3x squared, I wrote it in blue, minus 28x, plus the constant, 60. And the number without an x being 60, our constant. So since that middle number is negative, this is negative, and the last number is positive. So this is positive. So this is negative, positive. So if this is negative and positive, we choose from this set of numbers. Because how you get the middle number is by adding these two things. So I already wrote down the correct answer, but I'll show you how. This is it. You can really here. Let me demonstrate. So we started off with the first step, 3x, and this distributes to this number. So I wrote it in different colors for your liking. So 3x goes to x, then this 3x distributes to this negative 6, it's in blue. Then we go to this number, and this one distributes to the x, that's in blue, so it's going to contribute to the same number over here. Negative 10 distributes to the negative 6. And when we do 3x, distributes to x, we get 3x squared. 3x distributes to negative 6, we get negative 18. Negative 10 distributes to x, negative 10. Negative 10 distributes to the 6, negative 6, we get 60. So this is really something you just need to practice. You can go through this with all of these numbers. So you can just use negative 2 times negative 30. So you would put negative 2 right there or right there. It matters because it matters when you have a coefficient in front of this x. If there wasn't a coefficient, if it was just x and x, then these two, the negative 10 could be right here and the negative 6 could be right here. But since we have a coefficient right here, then we have to place them properly so that when they come out, it comes out to this. Okay? I hope that helps.